As a reminder, for this project, we are making cake. We are studying artist Wayne Thiebaud and the different forms he used to make desserts in his art. We are especially focusing on cylinders. Coloring option 1, using marker, water, and a paintbrush or tissue. For the next step, you'll need a cup of water and either a paintbrush or paper towel or Kleenex. The next thing we will do is again outline the area with color. I will start with this middle section. Next, using your paintbrush or your paper towel, you will get it wet and smear the marker around. This will give it kind of a watercolored effect. I did that half with a paintbrush, and I'll do the next part with a Kleenex. Make sure you just get it a little bit wet, then begin smearing the color. If you accidentally get outside the lines, just use the dry part of the Kleenex to clean it up as much as possible. Continue doing this to fill in the rest of your cake. I strongly recommend using colors that are neighbors on the color wheel next to each other on this project. That way, if any of the color leaks into a different section, it should blend nicely. Because red's other neighbor on the color wheel is purple, I will do purple next. Green's two neighbor colors are blue and yellow, but this time I think I will go to blue. Keep going until you've completed your entire cake. Be sure to also go in and fill in your background. You could do this by using the same method with marker and water, or you could do it using either marker or crayon. Next, we will look at coloring option 2, using markers, crayons, or other materials of your choice. It is up to you what materials you use, but I want to show you a process that is called exterior emphasis for coloring. To do this, we will go around the outside of each piece with marker. Notice how I'm just making a border around each piece. Next, I will color it in with crayon. As a reminder, you do not have to do this method if you don't want to, but I wanted to make sure to share it with you because it's one of my favorites. I will continue doing this for the rest of my cake. Because I want my cake to stand out, I will use only crayon to fill in the background. It is okay to turn your art while you are working so that you can find the easiest way for you to color. As you can see, using exterior emphasis to outline my areas with marker helps my cake to stand out against the background that is just crayon. This is one way of showing emphasis in your piece of art. Now that we have finished, please submit a photo of your art to Canvas. Have fun coloring your art project.